Okay, Zimbabwe, a major retail chain currently under the corporate rescue, has suspended all employee salaries starting May 2026 in an effort to save the business. Sarapita mashoko buda panguva ino chinokonzi okay Zimbabwe panguva ino aiwa yoyasaratidza kuti yoomerwa. Panguva iri kuonekwa kunzi the same country inozozivikanwa kunzi okay Zimbabwe is operating, it is a country mune ma-entrepreneurs mune ma-millionaires nezvinhu zvakadaro, but panguva ino tiri kuona kuti it is now suspending ma-employees ese panguva ino noda kuti vari kunyatsoona kuti havazokwanisa kuoperata in this economy. That was subscribe or like on the bell icon. Krambo chinoposta this poster ramuri kuona the resolution of the joint Works Council of OK Zimbabwe Limited approval of temporary suspension of payroll. The company says the decision was made after an urgent board meeting and approval by the Joint Works Council. A corporate rescue practitioner was appointed earlier in February 2026 to help turn the business around after it began struggling financially. Management argues that stopping payroll is a temporary measure meant to stabilize the company, reduce cost, and they hope it recover until it becomes profitable again. They also say the decision is part of a formal corporate rescue process under Zimbabwe Insolvency Act. However, the move has raised strong concern because it effectively means workers will continue reporting for duty without pay. Ndoma developments ari kuda panguva iri OK Zimbabwe zvinyatsonekwa kunzi ndokuvhara chaiko ameno kana ikakwanisa kusimuka. Mbotidze mafungiro enyu munoti kudii pamusoro pechiriko ichi muri Zimbabwe. Pane comment section medu mutidze mafungiro enyu, musangana subscribe or like pamwe chete nokuti na on the bell icon.